What is going on, Jig Freak Nation? We're sitting in the car again down here at Renfro again. But today, we're going to try to catch us some little panfish or whatever we can out of this little creek, because it is finally slowed down enough that we might be able to throw some stuff. So let's get out here, get us a pole, and get at it. Probably going to use the little ice rod today. What about that? Ice rod in 80-degree weather. Let's get at it. Alright guys, alright. Like I promised, like I said, we're using a little ice rod only because I already have this rooster tail tied onto it. And what better to use in a little creek than a rooster tail? Look at her. Oh, son. First cast curse right there, boys. We'll not catch another fish. Well, we didn't actually catch him. We just hooked him, didn't we? Y'all guys, y'all count that or what? I don't know if we're gonna do any good down here after that first cast curse there. But we're gonna give it a whirl. We'll actually walk up and down. We might throw a little Cinco or something in here in a little bit. Go up on the bridge, see if anything any good down here. Oh, easy now. Well, there's my rooster tail probably gone, because I'm over in this tree limb here. Oh, there we go. That was luck. Let's walk on down here, see what we can do.
Got me a monster, guys. Got me a monster. Little sunfish. These little devils right here will hook you in a heartbeat. Easy now. I can hold him up here where you can see him real pretty. Look at him there. Probably the prettiest little fish ever. There he goes. Back into the water. That's the second little fish I hooked up on. Pretty little fish. Gotta love catching them little fellers. I walked all the way down to where the water runs real good. Not one fish. Come back up here to the bridge without my camera on. I might have to get better at that. That no camera situation where I turn it off, walk around, but I try not to let my battery die, because y'all have seen that before. My battery dead trying to fish. Bad thing about creek fishing is that right there, especially with a rooster tail. We're probably going to move down to the deeper part of the hole, the deeper part of this little creek. Up there under the main bridge, right over there, is a pretty good spot too. But we're probably going to drive down that way to the little spot. Maybe see if we can get on us a bass. All right, we're down here at the little deeper hole of water, and with the water running down right here, rooster tail may not be the best choice for here, but we'll try it out and see. It ain't looking like it's gonna be too good. We'll probably lose it over there. We didn't. All right, we're gonna put this little fella up. Throw my jig for a second. I got this little small jig on here with a little crawl-like trailer on it. That wasn't a fish. Felt like a little nibble though. Now I'm hung up. Got pushed under some of them rocks. Is more than likely what happened. See if I can get up here and get it out. How about that? Got it free, but broke the hook off. So there's a jig wasted. Doggone. And there you have it. A quick little simple video catching one fish, breaking off a jig. We actually hooked two fish. First fish got off. I thought it was gonna be the first cast curse, but we ended up catching another fish, and I believe that was a sunfish. I'm not 100% on the panfish identification, but I'm sure somebody can let me know in the comments what it was. This is just a little filler video throughout the week. That way I'll save the good ones, or the best ones, the better ones, till Friday or Saturday, one of the 2 days. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload it. We'll see you guys. I'm gonna go cook some pork chops. See you on the next video.